Welcome to the demonstration video on how to apply for a DSC on eMudhra portal. Start by searching for eMudhra.digital.com on your browser. Now you will be directed to the home page by Digital Certificate and Sign Documents. Please select the required certificate type. The user can choose from 3 certificate types: encryption, signature, and both. Select the validity period of 1, 2 or 3 years based on your requirement. Here we are selecting the validity for 2 years for demonstration purpose. If you are a foreign resident, click on the option, "Are you residing outside India?" and fill in the required details. If not, click on Buy Certificates. Now you will be directed to the next page where you need to fill in your name and mobile number. Click on Continue. You will be directed to the next page where you need to enter the OTP received on the registered mobile number. Click on Continue to proceed. You will be now directed to the next page. Fill in your billing information like mobile number, email ID, address, country, and other required details. You can also mention your company name as an optional detail. You can also choose to receive your USB token at a different location. Just click on the different address option under delivery address for crypto token and enter the address details. Click on above address to receive the USB token at the given address. You can view the billing details on the right side of the screen, which mentions certificate and price details. You can either select Windows or Mac option to receive the USB token based on your requirement. Click on Proceed to pay. Now you will be redirected to a secure payment page. Choose a payment method as per convenience. You can make the payment through credit, debit card, net banking, and UPI. Here, we are choosing payment through a credit card for demonstration purpose. Fill in the required credentials like card number, card name, CW number, and expiry date. Click on Pay Now. Now enter the OTP that you have received on your registered mobile number. You will be directed to the payment summary page. Now you can view the payment summary and download the invoice for the transaction. You can proceed with your KYC application after the successful completion of the payment. Once the payment is successful, you will be redirected to the digital signature certificate page to complete your KYC authentication. Here, you can view 3 options: Quick Individual DSC, Quick Organization DSC, and Enroll and Apply. Here we are going to select Quick Individual DSC for demonstration purposes. Click on Apply using Aadhaar option. You will be directed to the application details page. On the left side of the screen, you can view the certificate details like signature type and certificate validity. You will now be asked to create a challenge code. Create a challenge code of your choice, which will be your certificate download password. Confirm the challenge code by re-entering the value in the provided input field. Enter your PAN number in the input field. Enter your registered mobile number linked with Aadhaar. Click on Get OTP. You will now receive the OTP on your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP in the mobile OTP field. Enter your email address. Click on Get OTP. Enter the OTP you received into the email OTP field. Enter your Aadhaar number in the input field. Click on Get OTP to receive OTP on your registered mobile number. Enter your OTP in the Aadhaar OTP field. Click on the checkbox agreeing to authenticate using Aadhaar. Click on Proceed to go to the next step. You will now be directed to the DSC application details verification page. Click on Get OTP to proceed with authentication and e-sign. You will now receive an OTP on your registered mobile number. Enter your OTP in the Aadhaar OTP input field. Click on the checkbox stating I agree to use the above information to create an eKYC account with eMudhra. Click on the next checkbox stating I am the holder of the above Aadhaar number. Now, click on E-Sign and Submit. Your application has been successfully submitted. Click on Record Video. You can select the language based on your preference. Here we are selecting English for demonstration purposes. You will now be directed to the video verification window. This verification needs to be completed in 30 seconds. Click on Start Recording to start the verification and read the instructions mentioned on the page. I am Pooja, applied for DSC with eMudhra. 101 is the code for the video. Once the process is completed, a pop-up with Stop Recording will appear. Click to proceed. Click on the preview option to review the recorded video. Click on Submit if the video is correctly recorded. A pop-up stating, "Video recording is submitted successfully with Track Application Status" option will appear on your screen. Click on the same to track your KYC status. Once all the steps are completed successfully, your application will be approved within 30 minutes. Once your DSC is approved, you can download the certificate online. Thank you for watching.